We've got a bathroom door where this top hinge used to make a loud crack or pop when it was opening right at about 45 degrees. And I thought it was a lubrication issue on the hinges. It wasn't. It was an alignment issue. And yes, I'm sorry that this door looks kind of crappy paint job. I gotta fix that up. Anyway, I had to take off this hinge plate and then just use a little chisel to chisel away some of the, there was kind of a bad initial cut on this door, and I had to chisel away some of that wood so that this plate could sit more flush all the way in, and then it screwed back in and got a closer fit onto here, and that led to the hinge itself fitting better, and now it slides without, or it opens and closes without any noise. So, simple fix. But it was not something I found on YouTube. Maybe because it's so obvious, no one would want to do a video on that, but to me it wasn't obvious at first.